welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss about IB ACIO exam, okay, in complete details. Okay, this explanation based upon on the syllabus and exam pattern, including tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, along with subject wise topics and preparation focus. Okay, if you are seriously preparing for the Central Intelligence in Intelligence Bureau, okay, Central Intelligence Officer exam, this video will helpful you. Will give you a clear roadmap for what to study, how the exam is conducted, and where to focus more. And let's go step by step and about IB ACIO exam. Okay. Wait. Here, wait. IB ACIO exam. Okay. It is related to Group C, Gadget Post, under the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA). The role involves intelligence collection, analysis, and internal security work, and field has desk as well as desk duties. Here, selection process. There has tier 1 objective test, tier 2 descriptive writing, and tier 3 internal interview and personality test. Okay. Now, tier 1 objective exam. Tier 1 pattern. Tier 1 is online objective type exam. It tests based upon aptitudes, basic aptitude, awareness, and analytical ability. Okay. Total marks is total questions is 100. Total marks is 100. Duration is 60 minutes, and negative marking is 0.25 for each wrong answer. Okay. The paper is divided into 5 sections. First one is general awareness. Okay. This section check awareness of current events and statistics subjects. Important topics include current affairs like national and international, history, ancient, medieval and modern of India, geography like Indian polity, geography and Indian polity and constitution, and Indian economy, general science like physics, chemistry and biology basic level, statistic, GK. Okay. Preparation tip. It is more focused on current affairs for the last 6 to 12 months and basic NCERT topics. Okay. Next is quantitative aptitude. This section tests your numerical ability and calculation speed. Important topics like number system, percentage. Okay, wait. Number system, percentage and profit and loss, simple compound interest, ratio and proportion, average, and time and work, time and distance, mixture and allegation, probability, permutation and combination, and data interpretation. Okay. Practice daily calculations and focused on accuracy with speed. And the third is logical and analytical reasoning. This section measures your logical and thinking and problem solving ability. Important topics like seating arrangements, puzzles, syllogism and blood relation, coding, decoding and inequalities, direction and distance, order and ranking, and input and output, data sufficiency, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Okay. Practice a variety of questions and learn shortcut tricks and pattern. Next, third one is English language. This section involves understanding the English grammar and comprehension. Like important topics like reading comprehension, closed test, error spotting, section correction, fill in the blanks, para jumbles, and one word substitution, synonyms, antonyms, direct and indirect speech. Okay. Next, general studies. This section overlaps general awareness but may include more conceptual topics like statistics, GK, science and technology, environmental studies, basic computer awareness, security and defense related awareness. Okay, and tied to descriptive pattern. Okay, it is based upon paper and play, descriptive paper, and plays a very important role section. Okay, tied to exam pattern is first total marks mode is offline. Okay, mode is offline. Total marks is 50 and um, total marks is 50 and duration 60 minutes. Okay, tied to sections like essay writings 30 marks. You may be asked to write an essay on national security, internal security issues, social topics, economic issues, technology and cyber security, current affairs. Okay. Next, English comprehensions may be word limit is 400 to 500 words. Okay. This includes comprehension passage, preparation tip. Okay. Practice writing regularly and focus on clarity, structure and grammar. Clarity, structure and grammar. Interview and personality test. Tier 3. Tier 3. Interview and personality test. Okay. Tier 3. It is based upon interview and personality test. Interview details about total marks is 100. This stage assess as personality test, communication and presence of mind, confidence, awareness of national and international issues, and suitability for intelligence service. Okay. Final preparation strategy. Okay. Clear tier 1 cutoff with strong accuracy. Focus seriously and tied to writing practice. Okay. Tied to writing practice. Wait. Develop awareness and confidence for interview stage. Consistency, discipline and smart preparation are the keys to cracking IB ACIO. Okay. IB ACIO. Okay. Here the salary of the IB ACIO salary structure. First, pay level 7, 7th pay commission, means 7th pay commission. Basic pay 44,900. Okay. And HRA, DT, DA, TA and other allowance. And in hand salary up to 60 to 65 to 75 approx. Okay. Next, here the cutoff marks. First is general awareness. General category, sorry, cutoff marks of reservations. General category, 65 to 70 marks for general category, and OBC category may be based upon 60 to 65 marks, and SC ST categories may be 50 to 55 marks. Okay, cutoff varies year to year. This is the pattern of 2025. Okay. Next pattern may be marks may be increase or decrease. Okay. Next, wait. This is I already discussed. Okay. Accuracy is the key for tier 1. Daily writing practice for tier 2. Strong current affairs for interview. And consistency plus discipline is equals to success. Okay. All the best and stay focused, revise daily, believe yourself and thank you. Okay. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.